You manage an on-premises exchange organization with the contoso.com domain. You have discovered that users performed self-service signups from Microsoft 365, creating an unmanaged Azure AD tenant. You need to elevate your account to Global Administrator for this tenant. Please determine the correct order for these 4 tasks. A. Access the Microsoft 365 Administrative Dashboard. B. Register a new user account within the Azure AD tenant. C. Input the domain name into the dashboard. D. Execute the prompt to assume control. E. Delete the domain. F. Add a DNS-TXT record for the domain.
This scenario explores the process of performing an external admin takeover of a shadow tenant. An unmanaged tenant occurs when users sign up for cloud services using a corporate email address that is not yet federated or managed by an IT department. Understanding how to claim authority over such an environment is critical for maintaining security and centralizing identity management, ensuring that all corporate data and user activity fall under the control of the organization's official administrators. In my view, the correct sequence is A, then C, then F, and finally D. First, you access the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You then input the contoso.com domain name, which signals to the system that the domain is already associated with an unmanaged tenant. To prove your ownership, you must add a TXT record to your public DNS zone. Once that verification is complete, you can trigger the prompt to assume administrative control over that tenant.
Regarding the other options, creating a new user account is not part of this takeover process, and deleting the domain from the dashboard would be counterproductive, as your goal is to manage the existing tenant rather than destroy its configuration. Remember that the DNS-TXT record is the fundamental mechanism Microsoft uses to verify that you are the legitimate administrator of the domain, and therefore authorized to take control of the shadow tenant.